Chinese Zodiac Horoscope for December 15, 2025, a powerful confidence boost for selected signs. The Chinese Zodiac for Monday, December 15, 2025, brings a surge of self-assurance and boldness for several signs, allowing them to shine in professional and personal settings. As we approach the end of 2025, the energy of the wood snake year continues to encourage transformation, ambition, and social influence. Rat, 1924, 1936, 1948, 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, 2008, 2020. Rats experience heightened charisma today, making it easy to gain support from peers and superiors. Business initiatives launched on this date in 2025 have the potential for long-term success. Avoid overconfidence and remain attentive to details. Ox, 1925, 1937, 1949, 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, 2021. For the Ox, December 15, 2025, is a day of steady progress. Confidence grows in work environments, particularly for those handling negotiations or financial matters. The year 2025 has been a period of building strong foundations, and today reinforces that energy. Tiger, 1926, 1938, 1950, 1962, 1974, 1986, 1998, 2010, 2022. Tigers will feel an unmistakable boost of boldness. Public presentations or social interactions on this day can lead to recognition that lasts into 2026. However, tempered patience will ensure that impulsive decisions do not overshadow achievements. Rabbit, 1927, 1939, 1951, 1963, 1975, 1987, 1999, 2011, 2023. Rabbits may feel inspired to step outside their usual comfort zones. Trusting intuition during December 2025 opens doors to unexpected opportunities. The confidence surge helps rabbits command attention in group settings. Dragon, 1928, 1940, 1952, 1964, 1976, 1988, 2000, 2012, 2024. Dragons dominate the room today, radiating energy and authority. December 15, 2025, is particularly favorable for leadership roles and decision-making. Major initiatives started now can bring rewards well into 2026. Snake, 1929, 1941, 1953, 1965, 1977, 1989, 2001, 2013, 2025. As the year of the wood snake, 2025, continues, snakes enjoy natural alignment with today's energy. Personal and professional confidence peaks, and influential connections can be strengthened. A meaningful conversation today could set the tone for the upcoming year. Horse, 1930, 1942, 1954, 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, 2014, 2026. 4 horses, the day provides a mix of excitement and caution. The heightened confidence of December 2025 encourages bold moves, but careful planning is still essential. Networking opportunities should not be missed. Goat, 1931, 1943, 1955, 1967, 1979, 1991, 2003, 2015, 2027. Goats gain a quiet sense of assurance today. While they may not crave the spotlight, their natural charm allows them to influence outcomes behind the scenes. This is an excellent day in 2025 for creative endeavors and collaborations. Monkey, 1932, 1944, 1956, 1968, 1980, 1992, 2004, 2016, 2028. Monkeys thrive on the lively energy of this day. December 15, 2025, is ideal for showcasing talents, presenting ideas, and engaging in social or professional events. A surge of confidence strengthens their ability to innovate. Rooster, 1933, 1945, 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005, 2017, 2029. Roosters can command attention and respect effortlessly today. Recognition for past efforts may arrive as 2025 nears its end. It is a favorable time for networking and securing leadership roles. Dog, 1934, 1946, 1958, 1970, 1982, 1994, 2006, 2018, 2030. Dogs enjoy a boost in self-assurance that helps them overcome lingering doubts. December 15, 2025, supports decisive action in personal and professional affairs. Loyalty and sincerity remain their strongest assets. Pig, 1935, 1947, 1959, 1971, 1983, 1995, 2007, 2019, 2031. Pigs benefit from today's uplifting energy, particularly in social gatherings. Increased confidence enhances communication and relationship building. This day in 2025 may mark the start of meaningful personal growth leading into the next lunar cycle. Overall outlook for December 15, 2025. This day favors self-expression, action, and confidence for nearly all zodiac signs. The alignment of the wood snake year with the day's energy pushes individuals to take charge and leave a lasting impression. The closing weeks of 2025 encourage courage and preparation for the opportunities of 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.